Electrical Contractor magazine has been the most trusted resource for electrical contractors for more than a century. We inform, educate, train, and motivate leaders of this massive industry through 8.7 million engagement annually across our print and digital platforms. Our award-winning, industry-leading publication and 2 quarterly supplements, Safety Leader and Line Contractor, focus on all aspects that electrical contractors face, including construction, inside and outside line work, lighting, maintenance, low voltage and integrated building systems, safety, and more. Whether they are active in design, specification, integration, purchase, or installation, our readers rely on the insights in Electrical Contractor to help grow their business. Advertising with the Electrical Contractor enables you to influence key decision makers within the $225 billion electrical contracting industry. With the reach of more than 80,000 professionals, 72% of whom are company owners and 85% of whom are management-level leaders, our print magazines connect you with readers who have buying power. And remember, fortune favors the bold. Get creative with premium ad placements and wow your audience with impressive inserts, featuring gatefolds, fold-outs, posters, post-it notes, and more. And through our digital platforms, you can maximize your reach with targeted advertising. ecmag.com features interactive media that brings Electrical Contractor to life for our readers, from engaging videos to breaking news and web exclusives. Plus all of our magazine's articles, over 181,000 individual contractors find it all here. Also, cut through the cluttered inboxes of your prospects with our weekly newsletters. Our e-newsletters are read by more than 80,000 industry professionals who count on the Electrical Contractor to bring them of-the-moment news and compelling editorial. These decision makers look to us to guide their awareness of new products and the latest on integrated systems. And with an average of 364,000 monthly impressions, your content is sure to be seen by your target audience. Electrical Contractor market influence is greater today than ever before. They're deciding which products to install, and they're getting involved earlier in the design/build process. Electrical Contractor is the magazine of choice for tenured professionals in the industry. So don't miss an opportunity to get in front of the leaders of this thriving market.